Hello, I'm Adam Drummond and joining me is Phil Bamford, the founder and director of Online WHS. Welcome, Phil.
Welcome, thank you.
Now, first of all, what is Online WHS? I'm assuming that it stands for Work Health and Safety, but what is it?
Correct. Actually, it's actually more than a work health and safety system.
Okay.
It started off being a work health and safety system, but now it's actually a total management system. So you're looking at, it'll manage everything relating to your safety needs and even more. So it has a lot of different features in there, but the best thing about it's comprehensive but easy to use for the end user.
Well, speaking of who uses it, who exactly is using Online WHS?
So as you can see from the screen, we've got councils that actually use our product. Questacon is another client of ours. We won that over 23 other clients in Australia. We have Phil McCarroll's Motors, Hunter Holden, so car dealerships, we have aged care, we have lots of different industries. So the system really suits all different types of people.
Now, what are the main features that people would get out of this? What are the benefits to them if they're using the system?
Well, there's a fair few main features inside the system, but I mean, some of the features when I actually take a client through the system is that, you know, the system has, as you can see on screen, the best kind of feature is the ease of use for the end user.
Sure.
Our clients all the time actually tell us that this system is so comprehensive but easy to use. The actually end user only has to hit one icon for the system to tell them what to do every day. It's got its own to-do list.
Okay, so what are we looking at on the screen here?
So this is the quick links page. So this is what an admin user would see. So there's three major permission levels. There's an admin user, there's a management permission level and an employee permission level.
Okay.
Depending who they are or what site they're related to is depending on what they see. The reason why I like, say, for an example, companies with multi-sites like this system, because you can enter multi-sites inside the system, is that if you're, say, for an example, a council who have depots but also have childcare,
yes,
when the childcare people actually log into the system, they see data only related to a childcare centre.
Well, they don't need to see waste management or anything, do they?
Exactly right. They don't need to see what's happening in a depot or on the roads or parks and gardens, but when the people actually log in from parks and gardens, they see that.
Okay.
So it kind of really, at the end of the day, you can actually, the admin user or manager can build checklist inside the system with this online checklist builder, which is another great feature inside the system. You can create your own online checklist, relate them to certain registers throughout the system, and then automate that checklist by using the to-do builder and basically say, I want that checklist done daily, weekly, monthly, 6 monthly, 12 monthly, by one person or multiple people, by a site or a position or a qualification or a contractor, and it automatically goes into their to-do list. They only have to select one icon.
Well, if you think that that's too much to take in one video, you're probably right, which is why we're splitting it up. We're going to go into each of these, Phil, in a moment, starting with the next video, which is on the ease of use for the end user.
Correct.
We'll be back with video 2 in this series.